Re, perile wa kokwane. Greetings from Musoni. Tukulu wa Bangoni ni Bandao. So the drink I was having right there is Shilajit. And today we're going to talk about the health benefits of Shilajit. What is Shilajit? Shilajit is a natural substance mainly found in the Himalayas mountains. It is formed over centuries of gradual decomposition of certain plants by actions of microorganisms. Shilajit has strong humic properties and is very rich in fulvic acids. And because of how nature takes her time in forming this product, it has high humic properties and it is very rich in fulvic acids. It is known to treat and prevent cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, and it is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and therefore anti-aging. Speaking of antioxidants, recent studies on the composition of Indian Shilajit found in Chile have evidence an ORAC index of between 50 and 500 Trolox units per grams of material. This has been noted to be substantially higher than the noni fruit and blueberries. This makes Shilajit a powerful antioxidant phytocomplex. Here's a brief look at the 9 benefits of using Shilajit as a dietary supplement. The first one we mentioned is that it prevents or slows down cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. The second one is that it raises testosterone. And this specific benefit was actually proven in a clinical study. It treats chronic fatigue syndrome. Number 4, it slows aging, as we stated earlier, due to its rich fulvic acids, and therefore gives it its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The 5th benefit is that it reduces altitude sickness, which I am very interested in personally, since I am planning to climb the highest mountain in Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro, in a couple of months, hoping to be waving this flag at the top of the mountain. So wish me luck. Benefit number 6, it treats iron deficiency anemia. Benefit number 7 is that it is known to treat male infertility by increasing sperm count and sperm motility. Number 8 is that it supports heart health. Benefit number 9 is that it helps improve bone density in females. According to a 2022 study, taking Shilajit supplements daily may help postmenopausal women with bone mass loss improve their bone mineral density. And a bonus to the 9 benefits is that Shilajit has over 84 minerals, which is beneficial for people who are stuck with a mineral deficient diet in the world that we live in today. All right, so the next question is, how do you take Shilajit? So before we go to how you take Shilajit, it is important that one takes Shilajit that has been purified, as it comes from the decomposition of plant material over centuries, as we've stated. So because of that, it may contain a lot of impurities that can make one ill. Therefore, it is critical that you buy Shilajit that has been purified and tested. And now, on the how to take it, it is recommended to take it with warm water or warm milk. And so since I don't take milk, I put it in warm spring water. The serving is, you take a pinch of about a pea peanut size with a teaspoon, and you put it in your warm water or milk and stir until it dissolves. And then you drink it. And it is also recommended that you drink it on an empty stomach to improve the benefits in terms of absorption of the Shilajit, and also to avoid the issue of it interacting with certain foods which may, decrease its effect. For example, citrus fruits. If you have it with citrus fruits, it is said that it may weaken its power. You take it on an empty stomach, you then have to wait for at least 60 minutes before consuming any food. At that time, you give it a chance to work uninterrupted through your system in its healing path. Speaking of interaction of Shilajit and other substances that may be active in your system, if you're taking medication, it is very important that you consult your physician before taking Shilajit to assess the risks that may be involved with how Shilajit may interact with other substances that your body is dealing with. That's all from me, Musoni Ntukulu Wabangonini Vandao. Thank you for watching, and remember, this is for information and educational purposes only. For any medical advice, seek counsel with your medical doctor, your physician, and do not take risks that may harm you. So, if you're not subscribed to the channel, press that subscriber button. If you enjoyed this video, press a like, and don't forget to share the video with everybody around you so that everybody can benefit from the information. And don't forget to press that notification bell. Peace and Bantu Power.